Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to drive traffic and sales to your Shopify store using Google Ads? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to set up and launch your first Google Ads campaign for Shopify even if you are a beginner. Before we start, here's what you need: a Shopify store, a Google Ads account, a Google Merchant Center account, a product feed connected to Google. Let's first of all, let's connect Shopify to Google. Go to shopify.com, then log into your Shopify account dashboard. From the dashboard, go to Apps section from the left sidebar, then click App and Sales Channel Settings. Then click Shopify App Store. Now search for Google and YouTube. Click the install button. Wait for a minute and follow the prompts or instruction, then click install. Connect your Google account, link your Merchant Center and Google Ads account. This app automatically syncs your product catalog to Google Shopping. In your Merchant Center, go to merchant.google.com or go to Google Merchant Center. Log into your Google Merchant account. Verify your website, add shipping and return policies. Make sure your products are approved and listed. This is where Google pulls product data for your ads. Let's create your first ad. In your Google Ads account, go to Google's ads.google.com. Then click sign in or create a new account. Then click the create button, then campaign. Choose sales as your goal. Select performance, maximum, or shopping campaign. Choose your merchant center feed. Select your country and budget. Performance maximum campaigns use AI to show your products across YouTube, search, email, and more. Google handles most targeting in smart campaigns, but you can adjust location, like target by country, region, or city, language, daily budget based on your goals. You can add assets to improve performance, like headlines, descriptions, logos, and images. This helps Google better match your store to the right audience. After launching, give your campaign at least 7 days before making changes. You can track impressions, clicks, conversions, ROAS, like return on ad spend. Optimize later by pausing poor performing products or adjusting your bids. Now go back to your Shopify admin dashboard, then click Connect Google account. Choose your account and click Continue. Then allow the all permission. Now click Connect. Then complete the setup process. Then add a valid payment methods. Click on it. Now add a payment method from your payment section in Shopify. Then click an online store. Then choose your theme from here. Then add a refund policy and terms of service. Then click continue and follow the process. Just want to set up Google Ads conversion measurement. Just click get started and follow the process. And click complete setup. Now click get started and connect to Merchant Center and follow the process which I said earlier. So that's how you run your Google Ads for your Shopify store. Start small, monitor results, and feel what works. Set up your merchant account in Shopify. Then go to Add section and add campaign. Add a new campaign. Select your Shopify account from here and follow the process. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and let me know in the comments what product you are selling. Stay with us and keep growing. Be sure to like, hit the notification bell for more tutorial, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.